Hi there, students. Are you a gregarious person? Okay, so gregarious, an adjective. Let's see, the first basic meaning of gregarious is related to zoology. Gregarious animals are animals that travel in herds, in packs. They're social animals. Yeah, they tend to associate with other animals of their kind. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm trying to think of an animal that's gregarious. Yeah, monkeys are gregarious. You always see them in a group together. They travel in a troop of monkeys. So we can also use this gregarious to talk about people. Yeah, so there are some people who are gregarious. They like to be sociable. They're friendly. They're outgoing. They like to be with other people. Yeah, they spend their time looking for the company of other people. They're really sociable. Yeah, and that's gregarious. So yeah, some people are gregarious, whereas other people are loners. Yeah, so yeah, enjoying the company of other people. And that's the idea. So, for example, she's such a gregarious and outgoing person. Yeah? Or perhaps then geese. One goose, two geese. Geese are gregarious animals. Okay? So, gregarious, companionable, convivial. Outgoing, sociable, social. Yeah, it's the opposite of introverted. Okay, so really we use this in just the two ways, either of animals, they are pack animals, they're social animals, or somebody who's outgoing, social, affable, and those sorts of things. So let's see, gregarious, a gregarious person. How formal is this word? Yeah, it's pretty formal. I'd probably give it something like a 7, 7.5. It certainly sounds very literary, certainly a formal word. I think maybe informally you'd use somebody who's very sociable, somebody who's outgoing and friendly, something like that. Okay, so what about the origin? Well, it comes from the Latin word gregarious, meaning of the herd or common, yeah, in a group. And that itself comes from the Latin word grex, a flock or a herd. Okay, so you have people who are recluses and you have people who are gregarious. So there we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Gregarious.